Hi everyone, welcome back at Charlotte from At Charlotte's House. As you can tell by this ornament, I am waving around my head. Today, I have another DIY ornament for you. These are all part of my 12 Days of Ornament series, so make sure you check out the playlist, see what else I've shown. This one was super easy. Stay tuned. Ornaments are on my YouTube channel and my blog, so make sure you check out the blog post for the full step-by-step tutorial, or you can check out the playlist on my YouTube channel. I go through all the directions there as well. All of these are super simple. They're perfect for Christmas. Many of them are perfect for kids. It's a really fun way to craft, get ready for the holidays. I think you're gonna want sort of heavier paper for this. I am using Glitter Pastels Matte Stack. These are 6 inches by 6 inches, and the length is actually perfect. If you go to the craft store and go to the paper aisle, there are pads and pads and pads of this. There's also loose individual sheets, so dealer's choice, choose anything that fits your style. You could also go to an office supply store and just get cardstock. And I'm cutting them each. They're about, I'd say, 1 centimeter. Once you have your strips cut, you're gonna grab your wire. This is an 18 gauge floral wire, and I think I'm gonna cut it to about 6 or 8 inches. And what I'm gonna do on the end is I'm going to wrap it over and then just twist it around once or twice. There's sort of no magic to this. And then I went ahead and I added a little bead here just to make it look more decorative. But I'm simply gonna press the end of the wire through the end of my paper. And there's no magic to how many strips you use. I did some that had quite a few. I did others that only had 7 or 8. So the next thing I'm gonna do is, working backwards, I'm now gonna poke the top of the wire through this one. So this was the last paper I put on. That's the first one that I'm gonna attach this time around. So you see I've added them all. It already looks amazing. I think that I have a little bit too much excess wire, but you want more than you think, because you could stretch the ornaments out a little bit to make more of a circle, or you can pinch them in to get something like that. So this is where you play around with what shape you want, and then you're gonna add another bead if you want. Again, definitely can skip that step. I think it just makes it look a little more polished. And then I'm gonna fold my wire over. I like the way the wire looked when the ends were sort of hidden inside the bead. So I'm gonna pinch it together, give it a little twist, and then you see how the bead tucks right in there. You can definitely be done right now. One thing that I did with some of my others that was a pretty easy step, and I liked the way it held it in place, is that I fanned out the stripes, and then I'm gonna go back and I'm gonna put just a little dab of hot glue